guys, so we're at the beach right now. This is day 3 and look where I am. Hopefully you guys can see me, but that's that. We're currently gonna go do jet ski. That's like the main point of the second day, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. Bro, it's so beautiful here. And here are the jet skis. I don't know if you can see, but I think over there somewhere. But yeah, that's that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be the one driving the jet ski, and then my mom is gonna be behind me, so she's gonna be shooting whatever she wants. Hopefully she can get some nice pictures or videos. But yeah, that's that. This is day 3. I think I already said that, but I'm just gonna say it again. Yeah, bye. We currently finished jet skiing and now we're gonna go shower and shower, and then we can head to Atlanta again. But yeah, this was my swimming costume. So cute. But yeah, that's that. My hair is waxed now because I went in the salt water. But other than that, nothing much. Yeah. So see you guys in the car ride. Love you. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car ride back to Atlanta. We have like 2 more hours to go. We finished our Florida trip and now we're going back. See you later. That's that. Bye. Today is day 4 and we are basically doing nothing today. The family friends that ate ice cream with us, they're gonna come over and we're gonna eat like lunch, and then together we're gonna go to someone's house. I guess we all kind of know them, so we're all just going there, and then from there I'll go to this place called Honest Pav Bhaji, and it has pav bhaji, real good pav bhaji. It's not just like any random pav bhaji, and it's the best. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna have a lot of fun. And I ate my breakfast already, so now I'm just gonna relax. So yeah, that's that. See you guys. Bye. Ready to fight.
This is nice.
What is this?
આગળ જવાનો કે સીટ તો આગળ જવાનો હિંમત રાખવાનો આપણે આગળ જાઓ હે હિંમત
So this is my outfit. It's like a shorts and like looks like a dress, but it's not. And then here's like the back. I'll show it to you guys. It's like that. It's pretty cute. So yeah, that's that. I really like the fitting. Like it's like this area, and then there's like the little like corset kind of feels, even though it's not a corset, and it's kind of like a dress. Yeah, that's that. Bye.
चिराग तारी गाड़ी क्या है?
ये तो आपकी लेन है।
तारी गाड़ी क्या है? अरे नहीं तो आ जाओ बाहुबली got a dick in
एसेंस पान एसेंस पकड़े जाए
I'm eating malai kulfi right now. What's that? See you later. So we just came back from like eating honest pav bhaji and all that, and it was so good. I swear to God. It was like a whole lane of like Indian stores and like foods and everything. It was so good, especially the pav bhaji that I had. It was so good. Oh. And then I also went to like the jewelry place today. It was like at someone's house, and they like show you like pieces that you want to buy or would consider buying. It was like an Indian jewelry, of course, and I wanted some, and my mom also wanted some. But yeah, I'll show it to you guys when I find like the box that they put it in. I don't know where my mom kept it. But yeah, tomorrow is just gonna be me leaving like around 9, like at night. We're also gonna go, I think, to drink sugarcane juice, and I am so excited for it because I haven't had sugarcane juice since like 2016. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, thank you for watching day 4. Hey guys, so right now I'm in the bathroom. Wait, let me go outside. Use some natural light. There we go. So we are currently we already woke up and all. We're headed to like kava. They don't have it in Arizona, and I really wanted to try it. So we're all going because I want to try it. So yeah, so I changed my outfit, and we're gonna go get sugarcane juice first, and then on the way back we're gonna get kava, and then we're gonna come home and eat kava and watch a movie together. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and I'll show you guys my outfit, what I am wearing today. Yeah, bye. So I'm wearing this like green leathered type jacket, and it's like pretty soft on the inside. It's like the material, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And then this is my crop top, and then I'm wearing my normal jeans that I usually wear. It's like a comfy outfit because it's like it rained yesterday, so it's very like cold outside. But other than that, nothing else special. No makeup because I'm so tired. But yeah. Instead of going to kava, we decided to go to SKV dosa, which was better. So we just all decided to eat dosa in the morning as breakfast. So yeah. I ordered like the SKV dosa. So that's that. And all this time I'm not recording myself, I'm recording him. Yeah. See ya. Yes. I took a picture. This is what I'm getting.
No, I charged it like for 50.
We were supposed to leave here at 7 so we could reach over 10:30 flight, but that got delayed, so now we're leaving at like 8, yeah, because our flight is now at 11:30, so that's great. I get to stay 1 more hour here, so yeah, that's that. So I didn't get to record like the jewelry part during like the trip, so I'm finally home now and I can finally show you what I got. So let me show you the first thing. Oh my god, let me open this where you guys won't be able to see what I got. first thing I got, it's like a pastel. Like I love pastels, if you know me. And it's like a, I think a peacock. And it's supposed to look like this. So this is how it looks like. Why can you? Okay, wait. Let me see. There we go. That's what it looks like. And when you wear it, it's gonna like look very pretty. Can you see it right there? Like that. So yeah, that's the first one. Let me just put that aside. And then I got the bracelet. Like I got a bracelet that matches with the earring. And I'll show you that. I can actually wear it. I'll show it to you. It's like a hole. Okay. This is like a weird bracelet. It's like it has like a little lock kind of thing. So I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna wear it, but let me see if I can show it to you. It's like a pink color. It's like looks like this from the side, and then it's like that. And it's gonna look really nice on my wrist, like that way. It looks very pretty in person. But yeah, that's for that one. And then this one is for my mom, but I can wear it too, she said, because we always wear each other's jewelry. So yeah, whatever matches with the dress, that's what we'll wear. So this is really pretty. I love this one, and my mom was like debating if she should get it or not, and I convinced her to get it. But you'll see why, because it's like a royal bluish purple. I don't know, it's like a mix, but I think it's royal blue, but it looks purple. But here you go. There we go. There you go. That's the second pair. It's the same thing, but I'll show it to you. It's like shining right now because of the sun. It looks so pretty. Yeah, that's that. So, thanks for watching.
No matter who I choose.